This question is case study based question. So here is oranges are stacked in a box in a way such that each stack has the same number of oranges in each row as the number of rows. There are 12 such a stacks of orange in the box. And in this first one is question, if the number of rows is same as the number of stacks in the box, what is the total number of oranges in the box? In that second one is how many oranges are there in each stack. So first what we will do, we will understand each sentence here. So oranges which are stacked in the box. Okay, so let me draw here one box figure. So here is the box and they have said oranges are stacked into a box in a way. Stacked means here one on the one like this. Okay, so here they have stacked like this oranges. Okay, it will be like this continuously. I mean one all the over throughout the, it is completely filled in the box here. Okay, in the next sentence they are saying such that like each stack has same number of oranges in each row as the number of rows. If it is 5 oranges, then there will be number of rows will be 5. Okay, now but here they are given the numbers of stack here. There are 12 such a stack of oranges in the box. It means there is a number of oranges. How many? 12 oranges in each stack. Okay, now in the next sentence, in the first option question they are asking, if the number of rows is same as the number of stacks in the box, what is the total number of oranges in the box? So we need to count how many oranges which is there in the box here. Okay, now see here, this is length, this is breadth, and this is height. And as we know that there is number of stacks are 12, number of rows are 12, number of oranges are 12. So we need to multiply 12 into 12 3 times here. Okay, 12 2s are 24, 4 here, 2 here, 12 1s are 12 plus 2 is 14. Now let me multiply 144 with the 12. Now 12 4s are 48, 4 here, 12 4s are 48 plus 4 is 50, 52, 5 here, 12 1s are 12 plus 5 is 17. So there is total number of oranges in the box, that is 1728 here. Okay, in that we have another question number B, that is how many oranges are there in each stack? In each stack means in each stack we are having number of rows are 12 and number of oranges in each stack, that is 12. Now 12 12s we will get 144. Okay, it means they have said there is a total 12 such a stacks. Okay, if I am right, if it is such a 12 stack, and each stack, okay, if I taken and if I written at separately here, this is like a stack, right? And each stack they have said how many rows are there? 12 rows are there, like this 12 rows are there. And in each row how many oranges are there? 12 oranges are there. If I am talking about only the one stack, then number of oranges are 12 and number of rows are 12. This is now, see here, it looks like a square or a rectangle, whatever. So in that what we will do, we will multiply length into breadth, right? So 12 12s we will get 144. Now similarly in the first option A, they have given, it is arranged in the form of pile, okay, 1 by 1 1 1. Okay, so again in that case we need to multiply with the height also, length, breadth and height, and we will multiply with another 12, that we will get 1728. Why? Because in this option A they have said there is if the number of rows is same as the number of stack. Why? Because in the first, before that question they have said number of stacks which is 12. Okay, in the option A has given said that if the number of rows which is equals to stack, this is if it is 12, it will become 12 rows. Okay, and before that again they have said each stack has the same number of oranges in each rows as the number of rows. And if it is rows, if it is 12, then again the number of oranges it will be then 12 in each rows, like that. Okay.